Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Genesis matrix trading system. So the Genesis matrix trading system actually comprises of several indicators, and we are going to be adding the indicators to the chart one after the other. So let us start with the APB candles. Alright, here we go. The APB candles, drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Okay, here we go. And then next we are going to add the ATR in pips. Drag and drop. Okay, here we go. And then we have to add the display spread NMC. So let's look for that. Display spread NMC, drag and drop. Okay, then we have to look for the Genesis. Let's quickly look for Genesis. All right, Genesis plus Histo, drag and drop. And then we have to look for P4L Clock. Let's look for the P4L Clock. Here we go, drag and drop. And then we look for Symbol Watermark. All right, that's going to be the last but not the least. Symbol Watermark, drag and drop. Now, as we can see, this is a trading system that comprises of several indicators. We can see one of the indicators painting our signals directly on the candlesticks, right? So when we have the orange color being painted on our candlesticks is a sell signal, all right? And when we have the green colors being painted on the candlesticks, it's a buy signal. Okay, and then here we can see the histo here showing us the prevailing momentum in the market. When we have these green colors, it's showing us the prevalence of bullish momentum, and when we have the red colors, it's showing us the prevalence of bearish momentum. Okay, this is for the histogram here in the separate indicator window. This is a different indicator from the one that paints on the candlesticks. All right, and then we can see that another indicator within the system shows us the ATR, shows us ATR and shows us this should be pips, but let's go to the, let's just quickly go to indicator list. Let's go to pips, ATR in pips. Let us see. Okay, so we went to the settings so we can properly understand it, right? So it shows us the periods, right? You can see the ATR period here. We can see the multiplier, the comment corner, X distance, Y distance, and all of that. So you can actually modify this. I mean, you can modify this according to your taste, okay? And then we can also see this here. We have bar left, spread, range, ADL. So this is a trading system, okay? You can pay attention to the signals on the candlesticks and the signals within the histograms section. And then if you want to know more about the ATL, maybe to further inspire your trading decisions, feel free to make use of that as well. All right, but at the end of the day, ensure that you prioritize risk management and make sure you always get confirmations before you execute a trade. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.